Welcome everyone. Let's get started with another Blender video editing tutorial. Now, let's open the next video file. In the File browser pane, navigate to the location of file. Drag the video from the File browser pane to channel 1 at the 00 location on the sequencer pane. Select the video strip. Then click on Add and go to Effect Strip and choose Speed Control. Click on the video strip again. This time, go to the Strip tab and select Time. To double the duration, click on the duration value and multiply it by 2. Press Enter, then play by pressing spacebar and observe the changes. Let's take it a step further. Multiply the duration value by 4. Play the video to see the impact. If you notice, multiplying the duration with 2 or 4 made the video slower and slower. This concept in video editing is called as slow motion. Let us now check by dividing the same duration with 2 or 4. First, divide the duration by 2. We observe that the speed of video is increased. If we divide the duration by 4, it will further increase its speed. This concept in video editing is called time-lapse. It is important to note that we have taken a single video for demonstrating the slow motion and time-lapse, but it is up to the user to determine depending on the type of video whether a slow motion is required or a time-lapse. A slow motion video is used to emphasize and showcase details in a video which are missed when it renders at regular speed, whereas a time-lapse video is used to highlight details about a scene or object over a long passage of time, but within a short span. Have you understood the basics of slow motion and time-lapse? If yes, then congratulations, you have just mastered some key video editing techniques in Blender. Don't forget to experiment and explore further. With practice, you can create stunning video sequences.